This is for you. Yeah, I bought too much, so I just thought, why not give it to someone that actually deserves it?
So, Hase wabana demalolela.
Engwalo.
A bolela dilo ka moka ka mkhwanya ka dile ka gona. Ha ke nya go utlwa anything about mapitsi, maputla, khopane. Ha se case ya rena.
The fact that Nkosi mnikeza imali angeke kuze affect disciplinary hearing. Le angifuna ukuthi ayiface.
I'd caution against that. Ngoba ngempela nawe bekufanele umreport his incompetence the moment yenzakala leyana. Not ukuthi uganishe his salary.
Bengithethe ukuthi i-interview yami isikhathini.
That will no longer be necessary.
Why?
Banbe HR bathi they instigated a disciplinary hearing against me. Uyabona ngilalele ama-advice akho. Ngitola hlelo umsebenzi ngenxa yakho.
Wenzele ntona?
Good morning.
Good morning.
Ngikwenzele i-breakfast oyithandayo.
Yibona breakfast labo. Kuko ntona apha ku-breakfast?
What do you mean?
Hayi lo baby andithi izolo wena ubungakwazi nokuthetha nami. Ngoku namhlanje utshintshile so imvoco iyathandeka undenzela nee-breakfast.
Are you being serious?
Mhlawumbi ngifake emgibeni wendaba ezimbi andiyazi. Kodwa kwazima nditsho ke mnaka. Ndiphazamile ba. Efana mandikuxelele ngemali endinika uStanley. Khandicingela uba ingaguquka kube yinto embi.
Ayikho inkinga. Amaphutha ayenzeka. Sonke siyawenza.
Njengeliphutha nenzileyo ngokufaka uStanley ku-disciplinary hearing.
Yes, angifuni ukukhuluma ngalento njengamanje. Please. Into esingakhuluma ngayo ukuthi silungisa kanjani leli phutha eselenzekile. Bengicabanga ukuthi mhlambe uye uStanley uyocela imali yakho back.
Well, Fika. Yeah. Steve. Stevie. Steve Summer. Steve. Stevie. Steve Summer.
Mawukuthi uyafuna ukuqhubeka having this kind of breakfast enziwe mina oyithandayo, you'll do this for us.
Okay, Sithamso, khangixele ke sizoyithini into ke ukuba uStanley seyisebenzisile le mali setyile sona.
Uyakhohlwa yini ukuthi uStanley uhambe waya ku-HR wenza ngathi le mali akade umsiza ngayo i-bribe?
Fanele ukuba ikhona enye indlela yokuba thina siyiphathe lento iphambi kwethu hayi lena uthetha ngayo.
If siqhubeka kanje, my reputation as a business owner is going to be ruined.
Andizuyenza lento kuStanley mna ingcolile imbi inobuntwana phakathi. uStanley idinga le mali ayikho lento.
Manake, since wena usisitsheli, right? Wena unemali yonke emhlabeni. Nami ngiyayidinga imali. Why don't uthatha imali ke uyinikeze mina usetlishe lesi sikweletu uStanley angikweleta sona?
Yes. Wena awuyidingi imali. Wawudinga into yokwenza wena. Mhlambi udinga yodlala. Hamba yakulonka ka LJ yothatha itoys zakhe udlale ngazo wena usibhuqe wonele kodwa le othi sondiyenza. Andiyazi uyijike kanjani le meko le ku HR uye wayiguqula lento wayenza meeting a disciplinary hearing about uStanley kodwa uziyazi ba izahamba ihambe ibuye izotya wena. Uziyazi lo. Andikho.
Hey, le bone interview ye ya Gopane?
Yona ke yona. Ba sa go no ba ka sa khušiše gore na mothakola gore nga itira ena motswa setlhabelo. Gape nna Gopane le gore nke a mo gopola khola salatla ka mo gae ka mo kya a tshwere phanga a tshušetša nna le Thibose e seng motswa setlhabelo.
wa bona ngwana gago ge a fetša go belega ngwana ka o tlo ithuta. There is nothing you won't do. Ya sengikhumbula ngena kule ndlu leya phakathi kwamalangabi womlilo. That house ismells sakhona besingenye indlela. Ihite ingishisa trying to save your life mntana.
Efela se ga se swane. Kopano feleditše a kweša madi a o tlhoka molato botlhoko.
Tsa sello sa Nora ya ba go gore ba vundla le hlokofetse le go pela
le mekhukhu ela e sweleng ya batho ba go tlhoka molato ba ile gore lo amega ba amege tabeng.
tsa go pani go dilo tšeka mkoilano fetelela gape le ska le bala gore Pex o ilanya go hlwa sa sepela go a go ile ka baka la gage
Ke a go kwa ngwanaka. But nagana ge o hwetša ngwana gago gore o bolaiwa a yepelwa.
Ke gopola ka nako e ba khumana mashaledi a stopo sa Smaki. Batho ba le ba go šoma kua saeteng kua. Ene ebile stopo sa ona se ya go bona. Ke be ke sa gone le gore nka se lebelela le go se lebelela.
Oh, now imagine if nka be le ngwana gago.
why asa phone na mapodisa ora no tlogela ka mapodisa ba le busy ka investigation ke ra ba tlogele be bona ba berekana le tabe ka boka.
Oh, the same police that arrested Thabo for nothing. Because mosadi ga timetše. Scam. Ai.
Sama tlareng. Ke eng ga dia.
Yini?
Ke baby ke lo nyana ja kwa moshomong.
Arabang.
Oh, sorry, sir. But the earphones.
No, that's okay. Don't worry. I won't tell you if you don't.
Clock it.
I saw your note.
And then, what did you take?
Don't ever try something like that again.
Lumuntu kushaya ngempama phambi kwa wonke umuntu.
Anginendzaba.
Ukuhlazi nje lokho kukuyehlisa isidima as indoda.
Ukhuluma ngempama, anginendzaba nempama. Nyalo ngento wena njani? I can't even feed my family. Hey. Simatima nyalo. Mngama akasebenzi. Mfana miyagula. Mina ngiyawutsinga lo msebenzi sihle.
Yeah, kephi HR ikhona ukuthi tovikela ama-employees.
Ungitshela nge-HR. Labantu bangithumela i-email la. Nangifundza le email yabo ayisho lutho ngami. Ikhuluma nje ngendlela lokuthi ngathi abami nami.
Manje uresponde.
Ngisacabanga nje ukuthi
Ungahlala phansi.
So, I've been reported to HR by Stanley. And the hearing ikusasa, but okwamanje ngeke sazi ukuthi imphumela izothini vele. Esingakwenza nje ukuthi sihlalele ethembeni sithandaze futhi nokuthi it doesn't lead to KB closing and sonke silahlekelwe imisebenzi. Ngisukuma nokusho lokho nje kuphela. Ngiyabonga.
Ngeke.
No Fraser abangore. Ke vele yana matric dance and. Ke na gore le msisi.
Be careful.
Why?
Maungwano o ga fa ntongwe.
Jwale na mfethu dinyaka kae?
Wena we. Bo maungwano ba utswa bana. Ka lebaka la gore ba gafa ba na le mental illness.
Wena. Ujabotse.
Araba.
Wa ntloela o se tja ka sebete sa gore o lela ka bomma ka tsela e. Yes. Khumole. Hey, o tsena mantelela.
Tela leswaso. Tela leswaso. Kotani. Hinkwenu. Nzilandzeleni.
No, Tara.
Angel. Maybe you know.
Yini soyasongela? That wasn't a threat. That was the truth.
The truth, Kwezi, is kushaya standing in Bama, nikumngisha mkholo wakhe was wrong. It was illegal and unethical.
Wenziwa yini wena ukuthi mangabe ukhona umuntu owenza iphutha la enkampanini including myself? You so quick ukukhomba amaphutha. Kodwa mase kuza ku Stanley awenza ukufanayo. What's in? Yindaba umtotosa. Why umtotosa? Le mali engilahlekele uthi ngiyimbephi yona? Angizongihlanyisa wena. Awuphume la. Nomsebenzi kumele ngiwenze. Uzongibhedlela.
Mem, o boletse dilo tse dimpe ka bomma. O rile bomma ka ba gafa.
Arabang. What's working? I'm so disappointed with you guys. Go pona le makle 12, Yo, ke lena le swantse go ba motlhalo mo botse go bana ba bangwe man.
Araba. Ke a kusha go kopeni akere ene ke maswabi fo seo. Impia motho ga re mmetse.
Ke go pala tshwarelo, mem.
Go lokile se plo etla se. Liteju.
Man,
How can you be so insensitive?
How wa banna?
ke maswabi man.
Oh.
Ke go pala tshwarelo.
Okay. Go lokile re. Ye molang le etla se. Class of 2026.
Can say.
I need a child.
Ciao, son. So, bona le weekend, va? Okay. Nami ndakhumbula sa. Usiphathe kahle. Okay. Yho. Eja.
Tata kaluzu. Oh.
Molo. Ngikubulisa phela lo. What even I know?
Maboza. Jonga. Ngakothusa le nto va. Anali xesha lakho. Nawo namandla akho mna nomsebenzi.
Of course.
Yeah.
Buyela kuba Master Khwezi. Ngiyabona ukufaka ilishi njengomgorho nyana wakhe. Ukhwezi ugcwele ubusathani obudlulele. Ngiyabona manje biyachitheka. Spilling on how she treats her employees. Stanley was her day one. Same way you were my day one. Remember the good old days? It's only a matter of time till she chews you and spits you out like you're nothing. It won't matter how many bodies you've buried together.
Ngosla.
Oh, Tabela.
So these are the matric dance forms and also the dietary requirements.
Yeah, Lorna Repeater suggests a venue for after party.
Yes.
Yeah.
The after party.
No, come on, think about it. Like, only if we have an after party.
That matter depends on the parents, the budget, the approval.
Yeah, it's fine. So we can actually ask about that.
That's what I'm wena. Aringangisha ni wena. Ela, akuna after party. Sure. How? Arabang kayen. Is she feeling better?
I don't know, because I'm not going to one dietary.
Woman, ngisho wena. Listen, let's sing text then. Liwahle articulate. Liwahle ari.
Sir, so etayimela ibeyile mistake.
It was just a small gift. Nothing big. You can do whatever you want, Kayona. Maybe applications if you want.
Oh, ngiyalabonga sir. Also, bomane basethi bathoma go complain ka airtime, so it will really help me.
Yeah, you see, that's the other thing. Don't tell your mom about it. Or anyone, for that matter.
Oh.
Yeah, let's not ever talk about this again, okay? It was just a one-time favor. It's not gonna happen again. Peace. Go to class.
Penguin. Lava seven are planning for what Mphathi said.
Oh, Phuma kubo lapho. That's exactly what you wanted in Dr.
Bengifuna ukucela man ukuthi ube witness yami ku hearing.
Wait, kodwa manje ngisakhona ukuthi ngena. Ngikhuluma iqiniso.
Uthini? Akusingwele ukuthi angiyekubani be-HR.
Yeah. Kepha Stan, awukho umsulwa nawo. Umuntu abayi-hypocrite uma solo nje ngikudefenda ngathi awukentanga lutho.
Oh.
Ngicela ungenzela ama-copies abe ready by ekuseni.
Uxolo Mphathi. Bengisacela ukuthi ngidinge into okuthile nje nawe.
Okay. Wenzile appointment. Yazi ukuthini, Stanley? Sebenzisa the same energy to defend your incompetence.
Hey. Abang. Hey. I heard you asked to stay a bit later. Look, you can take as much time as you want. Don't worry, I have the keys. I'll lock up.
Do you think I'm a stupid little girl?
Jan, why did you fight them?
I've been so emotional today. I ke kushishi se ke se kwang gona bjana. Re ka bolela ka the answer to my note.
Let me go lock the door and put a close sign.
All right, so I can get sis. Unkosi uke wambona sebuyile.
Ubuyasibona khona.
No, but kunedrama ikhona lapha emsebenzini, so ngiyacabanga ukuthi ingakhe ngafikanga.
Nkosi.
Bhekani.
Asizange sikubone usuku lonke. Bubu.
Bendikwishishini lam kweyam ibhizinesi kuba xa ngekho kweyakho ndikweyam because ndiphe ithutyana chance yokuba ndihlafune amathambo engqondo ke ndicinga
Ucinge ngantoni?
ngedivorce nabantwana bam okhangela utata wam nale nyaka kaStanley. Ngiqale kwezi babe ndingakuncedanga ngala mzimba kaGumede. Yesilapha
Man. Isuke yonke leyo nto.
phendula umbuzo qha wena. Babe ndingakuncedanga ngesasidumbu sikaGumede ngesilapha nangesikunye.
Yes.
Oh.
Kose ngiyakuthanda. And I want to be with you.
Ibonakalisa loo nto. Ndidikiwe kukucenga. Cenga uba undiphathe njengendoda. Kulomsi? Lo? And la mali ndinika uStanley ndimnikile andizoyicela ibuye. And the sooner wena you make peace with that, the better. Sava?
Yebo.
Kwakuhle.
Arabang, do you even understand what you're doing?
I know what I'm doing. Lorana, I'm gonna back video kamuka, but I'm old enough to make my own decisions.
No, Arabang, you're young, okay? You don't know the repercussions to this whole thing. We shouldn't be doing this.
You're confusing me though.
Okay, I'm sorry. I don't mean to confuse you, but Arabang, I'm your teacher, your student. We can't be in this romantic relationship. We can't do this.
But you tick yes.
Yes, I know.
Mr. Q? Mr. Q? Are you there?